Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. This is the default location, so it should be in the same general location for you as well. So once you find it, do not tap on it just yet. You want to hold it. This will take you to the settings where we can change things like, as an example, our password, which by default is just some randomly generated password, which you can see right over here. You can obviously tap on it, and from here you can either remove it or simply write it down if you want to use this one. Though I would probably recommend you to just set up your own. So the new password does need to have 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, one or the other or both. From there you can save it, and that's basically as much as work you need to put into it. Default name of the hotspot that it will create is going to be the Galaxy Tab Active 28999. So you can change this if you want to, though to be fair, it's always going to be something to do with your device model, which is Galaxy Tab Active. So from here you can toggle it on either here, which I apparently don't have a SIM card, it's not reading it. So you just toggle it on from here, or by simply tapping on the toggle right here. But again, it's giving me a pop-up that I don't have a SIM card, even though I do, but it's not reading it. That's besides the point. So anyway, that is how you toggle it on. Now additionally, once you toggle it on and you're done with it, do remember to turn it off. It's going to be consuming more of your battery when it's on, because it's basically doing extra work. And if you're not using it, there's really no point for it to run in the background. So to toggle it off, you again find the toggle, tap on it to make it basically look like this. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.